Are you an aspiring candidate for the defense services? Then pay attention, as we discuss the common mistakes committed by aspirants during screening tests at the SSB. Being unprepared for the physical fitness round can seriously hurt your chances of getting selected. A lack of thorough knowledge about the SSB screening process can lead to mistakes that could cost you your dream job. Dressing inappropriately for the SSB screening tests can give a bad first impression to the examining officers. Failing to showcase your leadership qualities during group discussion rounds can negatively impact your assessment. Not practicing for the psychological tests can result in incomplete or inaccurate responses, affecting your evaluation. Neglecting to research the current affairs and general knowledge topics can hinder your performance during the written exam. Making careless errors during the intelligence and reasoning tests can be detrimental to your overall score. Not paying attention to your body language during the personal interview can give off a negative impression to the interviewers. Overconfidence and arrogance can make you come across as unfit for the defense services, so be humble and respectful. Lack of effective time management can lead to incomplete tasks and jeopardize your chances of success. Avoiding physical fitness training before the SSB tests can leave you unprepared and outperformed by other candidates. Failing to communicate effectively or actively participate in group activities can hinder your chances of being recommended. Not seeking guidance or taking mock tests to get familiar with the exam pattern can result in underperformance on the actual day. Inability to handle stress and pressure during the various rounds of the screening tests can negatively impact your performance. Ignoring the importance of body language and nonverbal communication can give away uncertain or unconfident signals to the assessors. Not following the instructions carefully during the various rounds can lead to mistakes and misunderstandings. Lack of attention to detail can result in errors and inconsistencies in your written responses and performance. Neglecting to practice effective time management during group discussions or presentations can reflect poorly on your leadership skills. Having a pessimistic or defeatist attitude during the tests can significantly reduce your chances of being recommended by the SSB board. Not demonstrating excellent team coordination or cohesiveness during the group tasks can hinder your overall assessment. Failing to justify your opinions or reasoning during the discussion rounds can make you appear indecisive or lacking critical thinking skills. Neglecting to maintain proper eye contact during the personal interview can convey a lack of confidence or trustworthiness. Not presenting yourself physically fit and well-groomed during the SSB tests can create doubts regarding your discipline and commitment. Lack of enthusiasm or passion during the screening tests can impact your performance and assessment by the SSB board. Failure to manage stress or pressure during the outdoor tasks or physical activities can affect your overall performance and evaluation. Inability to effectively communicate in English during the various rounds can hinder your chances of being recommended by the SSB board. Not seeking feedback or guidance from experienced professionals can limit your growth and improvement throughout the screening process. Failing to demonstrate adaptability and flexibility during the SSB tests can make you appear resistant to change or new situations. Neglecting to showcase your problem-solving skills during the various tasks can affect your assessment as a potential defense officer. Lack of awareness about the defense services and their requirements can make you appear uninformed or unprepared for the career. Not showing respect or consideration towards fellow candidates during the group tasks can affect your evaluation by the SSB board. Failing to project a positive and confident attitude during all rounds of the screening tests can hurt your overall assessment. Ignoring the importance of physical fitness and neglecting your health before the SSB tests can hinder your performance. Inability to express yourself clearly and concisely during the personal interview can limit your chances of being recommended by the SSB board. Not seeking guidance or attending coaching classes to understand the SSB screening process can put you at a disadvantage. Lack of attention to grooming and personal hygiene during the SSB tests can portray a lack of discipline and professionalism. Failing to follow ethical practices during the various rounds of the screening tests can adversely impact your assessment.